Hello, I am Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and you are watching the instructional video for Learning Communities eLumen Program Review Year 5 Update. From the introductory video, you know how to access and log in to eLumen, ensuring your role is correctly identified as Department Coordinator, and that you've selected your learning community for your Program Review Year 5 Update. You've gone to Strategic Planning, selected Initiatives, clicked on the link to open up your Program Review Year 5 template in eLumen. For the purpose of this video, I will be using our pilot unit, Transfer Academy. To complete Section 4, we need to go down. So you want to use the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen and scroll down until you reach Section 4. Section 4 is CPR Goals Update and Alignment. For this section, you will not be completing any information in eLumen. You will be completing and following the instructions for entering in information and responses in your Excel workbook that was provided to you by Dave Bellman. Using tab 4 of your Excel workbook, provide a brief update of your program's goals as listed in your Program Review Year 3 update. Again, you will not enter any response or information in the eLumen template. For this prompt, you will follow the directions to enter the information into tab 4 of your Excel workbook and then follow the instructions provided in your guide to upload your Excel workbook into Section 4, CPR Goals Update and Alignment. In tab 4, for each goal, indicate the status of the goal from the drop-down list. Based on the status of each goal, provide additional relevant information as follows. If it was completed, provide a description of the impact. If it was in progress, provide action steps, timeline, and responsible party. If it was abandoned, provide an explanation as to why. Again, this will all be entered into tab 4 of your Excel workbook that has been provided to you by Dave Bellman for your learning community. Now that I've completed tab 4 in my Excel workbook, I'm ready to complete the next section of this item in my Excel workbook. In my Excel workbook, using tab 5 of the workbook, indicate which of the guided pathways indicators, vision for success outcomes, and student services guiding principles your CPR goals are aligned with. You may indicate multiple indicators or outcomes or none at all for each of your goals. Again, you will not enter any response or information in the eLumen template itself. For this prompt, you will follow the directions to enter the information into tab 5 of your Excel workbook and then follow the instructions on uploading your completed workbook into eLumen. Once I have completed aligning my goals with guided pathway indicator, vision for success outcomes, and or student services guiding principles, I have completed my Excel workbook and I am ready to upload it to eLumen. To upload my completed Excel workbook, I look at the title of in eLumen for CPR Goals Update and Alignment. When I go to the right-hand side of that title box, I see a folder. I click on this folder, and then the following box appears. I select the button that says Upload Files. Now, you can either drag your file and drop it here, or you could click in the middle to select it from your computer. To drag and drop, I can select my Learning Communities Year 5 Excel workbook from my electronic files, and I click on it, hold, and drag it to drop it in there. Or, to show how to click to select, you could position your cursor in the box in the middle, and then your files will then be uploaded. Once I've identified my file that I want to upload, I select it, hit open, and I see my file is right here ready to upload. I select the upload button, and now I see my file is right here. I select the close button, and then you'll see the little file folder icon turns blue. That indicates that I've uploaded something. Now I've completed the last section of my eLumen Program Review Year 5 update, and I'm ready to proceed to the publish. Please view the next video on how to publish and submit your completed eLumen Program Review Year 5 update.